Hello everyone, Innovation and Design Thinking Workshop Innovative Ideas. Myself as ARPITHA Branch First Year ISC. Startup Company Proposed Name Future Home. Product Present Name Dishwasher. Product Proposed Name Sparkly Cleaner. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Modern dishwasher are designed to be energy efficient at consumption noise level, using less water and electricity and their procedures. Clean dishes and child safety lock more hygiene. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement of customers. Many new features are added to the exiting product. Exiting product name dishwasher, futuristic product name air umbrella. Some of the additional features to be added or mentioned here: convenient, eco-friendly, portable and air shield, automatic open and closing batteries and length controller. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion and satisfy the staging stage. Thank you.